Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to study subtraction of 4-digit number. So what is actually subtraction of 4-digit number? You had studied subtraction of 2-digit number and subtraction of 3-digit number in your previous classes. Now you are big girls and you are going to study subtraction of 4-digit number. So let's start. For example, if you have found the sum in linear form 4786 minus 2345. Now, what will you do? You will write it in the columns. You will write in their places. What places they are? Ones, tens, hundreds, and thousand. Now, you have to be very careful that you have to write all the numbers in their places. 4786 minus 2345. Now, how will you subtract it? This is actually very simple. 6 minus 5, it will be, what will it be? It will be 1. 8 minus 4, 4. 7 minus 3, 3. 4 minus 2, 2. So how will you found 6 minus 5? What will you do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then count your fingers. 1. That's mean you will write 1. Here it is 8 minus 4. Come to the second column. 8 minus 4. 1, 2, 3. I will count till 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I will count my fingers. 5, 6, 7, 8. So these are 4. So my answer will be 4. Now come to the 100 column. What will it be? 7 minus 3. What will be the answer? Here I will count till 3. 1, 2, 3. Then I will open my fingers and count it. 4, 5, 6, 7. Now how many are these? 4. So that's mean I will write 4. Now come to the thousand places. Now 4 minus 2. What will I do? I will count till 2 and then 3 and 4. So I will got 2. Okay girls, now you have to remember that always when we will do subtraction, we will start from ones position, right? Now I'm giving you another example which is slightly difficult. It is actually that how to borrow the numbers. So this is also very simple and I think that's not new for you. Okay, in the same manner, what will I do that I will write all the numbers in their respective column. Here it is 8746 and 2589. Now what will I do? 6 minus 9. Oh, how can we subtract 6 from 9? 6 is smaller and 9 is bigger. So what will I do? I will go to the 4 and borrow. Please, can you give me 1? So it will be 3 and 1 comes here. Okay. So now you can write like this that it will be 16 now, right? So what will be the answer if we subtract 16 minus 9? In the same way, we will count till 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So what will be our answer? It will be 7. Now 3 minus 8. Oh, again 3 is smaller than 8. So how can I subtract 3 from the 8? So what will I do? I will go to the next digit, that is 7, and I will ask him, can you borrow 1? So he will give me, okay. So when he give with 1 to me, it will be 13. What will number will? The tens number will be 13. And on the 100 place, it will 7 minus 1, so 6 will remaining. So now come to tens position. 13 minus 8. What will be the answer if I subtract 13 minus 8? I will count till 8 and then count till 13. Open my fingers till 13. What will be the answer? 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now 6 minus 5. Yes, 6 minus 5 will be 1. 8 minus 5. 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2 will be 6. So here it is. So I hope that you have understand it now. I want to give you one more example. This is actually if I have 7,000 minus 5,245. What will it be? It will be 7,000 5,245. First of all, what will I do? That I will write it in the linear form. Then I will write it in their places. Okay, and now I will subtract it. Here, here it is 0. So what will I do? That I will to the next digit. Here it is also 0. Then I will move to the next digit. It is also 0. I cannot borrow. Then I go to the 7th place and I ask to borrow. Then 7 will give me 1 digit and it becomes 6. Now it becomes 10 and then it becomes this 0 will come here, so it becomes 9 and it becomes 9 and it becomes 10. So 10 minus 5 will be, the answer will be 5. 9 minus 4 will be 5. 9 minus 2 will be 7. 6 minus 5 will be 1. So I hope that you have understand. If you have any misunderstanding, then please ask me. Thank you. Have a good day.